Hello, in this video I will show you how to play audio with SDL2. By the end of this lesson you should be able to load the music file and use it as the background music for your game or to play short sound effects when an event like a keypress happens. We'll start by downloading the SDL Mixer library. You should bookmark the documentation page in case you need more help with a particular function. Select the Game Development library. Now, we'll basically repeat the steps we did when we've initially installed SDL2. For short sound effects, like a jump or a laser shot, there is a free online application, BFXR, that could be used to generate sounds. On this page, you can generate your sounds and save them as WAV files on your disk. For real music, you can use free sound files from websites like OpenGameArt or buy the music from an artist. You should always check the license of a music file taken from the internet to avoid any legal trouble in the future. For the purpose of this video, I will choose a GPL-free music file. There is a link to the original page on the movie description. In the right window you can see that I have three sound files, two sound effects generated with BFXR and one GPL-free licensed song downloaded from OpenGameArt. In the left window I have a new SDL2 project created from our original SDL window project. Now I will copy the audio files to the root of the SDLC project. Back to coding. First, we need to include the SDL Mixer header file. Next, we'll add the audio flag system to the SDL init function. We initialize the SDL Mixer with the mix open audio function. For the parameters, I've used typical settings for a CD playback. If you want to get more in depth, check the mix open audio help page. Now, we can actually load our audio files. For large files, like the background music, we'll use the mix music structure. Pass the name of your song to the mix_load_muse function. For small files, like the sound effects, we'll use the mix chunk data structure and initialize it with the mix_load_wave function. Make sure to release any acquired resources when you are done. In our particular case, this is at the end of the program. A good place to start our background music is just before the start of the main loop with the mix play music function. The last parameter of the mix play music function, if it is -1, will play the music forever in a loop. Now we'll add the SDL Mixer library to the build options for our project. Let's try the code. Hopefully, my microphone captured the sound, but I can assure you that it worked. Now, we'll check when the user presses his keyboard and play one of the sound effects. We'll use 1 for the jump effect and 2 for the laser effect. The mix play channel function is used to play sound effects. You can play more effects at the same time, so you need to tell SDL on which channel to play the sound effect. -1 will pick the first available channel. Next, we indicate the name of the effect and how many times we want this to be played. 0 means play it once. Repeat the same steps for the laser effect, which will play when we press the K2. Let's try the code. Thanks for watching, and please like, share and subscribe.